OpenAI's ChatGPT has been the talk of the town for quite a time now. And with the new update of GPT-4 released on the 14th of March 2023, the words about this remarkable AI chatbot have surfaced again. But what are the new updates and all the fuss about? If you also have such intriguing questions on your mind, this blog is for you. In this blog, we'll talk about the new updates, features, expands, and everything related to the upcoming ChatGPT-4 chatbot. But before all that, let's first understand what ChatGPT is. What is GPT-4? Simply saying, GPT-4 is a smart combination of artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and machine learning. It is an AI-supported chatbot that helps users to generate content. GPT-4 is the perfect solution for businesses or customers who want an efficient, personalized experience when engaging with customer service agents. This powerful AI-driven system enables users to have natural conversations that feel just like interacting with a human customer service representative. GPT-4 makes communicating effortless and intuitive with its user-friendly design. Through this AI-driven system, users can enjoy natural conversations that feel just like interacting with an actual human being. What's new in this version of GPT-4? Be it creativity, collaborative prowess, editing, iteration, or technical writing, ChatGPT-4 is a +1 in every term from the previous versions. We spent 6 months making GPT-4 safer and more aligned. GPT-4 is 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content and 40% more likely to produce factual responses than GPT 3.5 on our internal evaluations, quoted by OpenAI. OpenAI also revealed that ChatGPT-4 outperformed the previous versions in some tests by scoring way higher. The ChatGPT-4 chatbot will allow users to interact with AI more effectively and efficiently. Moreover, users will have ease of producing content of their own style as ChatGPT can recognize and understand users' writing styles. ChatGPT-4 uses natural language processing techniques to provide results with the utmost accuracy. Therefore, it is far more reliable in terms of producing legitimate results in time. The AI-driven system is highly advanced and sophisticated, but also intuitive enough for users to get a feel for how the technology works within minutes. With this powerful system, businesses can create personalized conversations that feel just like talking to an actual human representative, no matter where they are in the world. 1. Image recognition. A major feature of the new ChatGPT-4 is image recognition. Earlier versions of ChatGPT are only efficient in recognizing and understanding the text, but with the new version, users will be able to generate content through images too. 2. Pricing. Another significant difference between ChatGPT-4 and the previous OpenAI ChatGPT is the subscription price. The current subscription for ChatGPT-4 is $20 per month in India and USA. ChatGPT-4 is much higher in cost than the previous versions of ChatGPT. AI experts also suggest that one should try their hands on ChatGPT first before they try ChatGPT-4. 3. Multilingual capabilities. As compared to the previous ChatGPT version, ChatGPT-4 holds tremendous multilingual capabilities. As per reports, ChatGPT can answer MSQs of around 26 languages. 4. Steerability. A new feature that wasn't available in the previous versions is steerability. ChatGPT-4 steerability allows users to customize the AI's behavior. Therefore, now you can make the AI chatbot understand your commands more precisely. Conclusion. As the world is slowly turning towards artificial intelligence, the ask or demand for quality AI content generators is increasing. For sure, OpenAI's ChatGPT has proved to be a great AI asset for content creators and artists. However, it will not be wrong to say that there are still a lot of improvements needed. The potential applications of ChatGPT-4 are immense, and it's already grabbing the attention of tech enthusiasts and business leaders alike. The lives of many could be made easier thanks to this intelligent AI system, which has the capacity to simulate human conversation unmatched by any other chatbot available today.